Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will be explaining a game about the defender. First of all, this is the menu screen. So it's like when you press the play button, it will go to the choose level. So for this, you guys can go to the backdrop and make your own. And this play button, uh, it's from this. You guys can also make it on or find it in online. Google like that. And the code for the button is like when green flag click, it will show, and then go to like the middle or here, whatever you guys want to put the play button, and then forever, if touching mouse pointer, which is this thing, then set size to 110%, and then or else set size to 100%, and then height, wait 0.3 seconds and then show, and then wait for 1 second, and then it will like repeat for forever. I don't know. Yes. And then when this sprite is clicked, broadcast play, and then hide and stop executing sprite. So I'm going to show you guys what this code means. So when I click the green flag, uh, and then boom, it will like that. Next, for the backdrop, you guys can put like one green flag click, switch backdrop to menu, which is this thing, and then when I just play, switch backdrop to choose level. For the choose level, you guys can put something like this, like different backdrop, and just with the choose the level. Now, for um, the buttons, we only have to put the level easy one. So for level easy, you can make it on again, and then when green flag click, hide, where to play, and it will show, and then when this sprite click, it will broadcast easy, and then hide. Now, what are the function of the other buttons? Then it will just like this. So if I click, for example, the medium button, it'll say clear the easy level first, like something like that, and the hard one is the same. And the code is like this. When group right click, hide, and then when I click play, it will show, and then when this right click, say clear the level for 2 seconds, and when I click easy, it will hide. For the hard button is actually also the same, so I won't explain that. And now I'm going to explain about the player. So for the player, it's like when group right click, it's hide, and then when I give easy, it will show, and then it broadcast move and broadcast shoot. So um, for the when I achieve move, we'll go to like over here, and then point in direction of 90, and then set rotation to style to all around. By the way, where to find this is that we have to go to motion, and it's like over here. You can see that the default is left and right, left right, and then this is just like forever. If key up press, and then it will move like uh go like move 10 steps to here, and then when key down arrow press, then it will move like minus 10 steps, like go back like that. Now for when key right arrow press, it will like turn 15 degrees to the right, and then it is for the key left arrow press, then it will turn left for 15 degrees. Now this is like one out of this is medium, and then the show podcast move people like that. This like this is actually a duplicated code of this. So if you want to duplicate, just do that, and then do this one. And just change your broadcast to medium or hard, and just skip these. Now I will explain the yeah for the player. You guys can make it on your own like me. I make it this on my own in Scratch, and then now I will explain for the shooting part. So For the shoot, I make it myself again in Scratch. You guys can make it on your own or find it online. And then when green flag click, it will hide. And then when I achieve shoot, it will forever. If key space press, then create clone of myself. It will wait for um, zero point 0.1 seconds. By the way, don't forget, do not put this like inside of the if then, but put this outside of the if then. When I achieve hash, when I start as clone, show it will show and then go to player, which means just go to the player. Now, where do you get this? Just this one. This is the code for this. You guys can see that the default is go to random position, and if you click this, it will have like all the sprites. So when you click on that, we'll just find the player one, and then it will point in direction of player. Where to get this? Again, it's in sensing, and it's in this one. Now you guys can see that it's different. Why? How do I get the player version of player? First of all, you guys can just click the stage to the player. You can see that it changed to X position. Just change the X position to direction, and then boom, you got that. And then move 3 steps. Repeat until touching edge, which is this one, for and move 15 steps and let this go. I'll explain this later. And then for enemy, this is for the enemy for the easy level. So for the enemy, you guys can make another clone of from player, like duplicate it or something like that, and make it different so it won't be confusing, and make like the boom boom like effect like that. And then for the code, it's like when good flag click, hide variable point, and then also set point to 0, which means you guys have to make a new variable called point. So yeah, and then when I achieve easy, it will show variable point and hide. It will forever wait 5 seconds and then create code of myself. Now, when I start as a clone, it will show switch costume to costume 1, which is the tank, and then go to 250 and Y pick her number of 180 to minus 180. And then it will forever point towards home or base. I will later explain what the base is about, and then it will move 3 steps. If touching the shoot, then it will broadcast shot. Change points by 1, and it will switch costume to costume number 2. And then you will wait for zero point 0.1 seconds and then hide. Now, if touching the base, then it will wait for 1.0 seconds and then hide. And then if the point is already like 5, then it will broadcast like go medium. Like it will go to the next level, which is like the medium one. And then when I retrieve go medium to the next level, stop this other sprites in stop scripts in sprite and stop other scripts in sprites, and then hide. Now this is the hash shot. You guys can see from the shoot is like when I achieve hash shot, it will hide. Okay, now I will explain for the base. So for the base, you guys can also like make it on your own like this. This is my base, or if you want to like have another base like that, it's okay. Um, for the base, you guys can have to put it like over here, like this side, and then when green flag click, it will hide and hide variable life. Like, and then meaning you guys have to put like a new variable called life. And then when I achieve easy, it will show and then set life to 5. Show variable life and then forever. Uh, if touching enemy easy, which is this one in the previous, it will change life by -1. And then say the base is under attack or whatever you guys want to put in the save button from looks better, yeah, and for 2 seconds. And then if the life is already zero, then it will progress over. Now you can like duplicate this like 3 times, 2 times, like from here to this and this and like that. But don't forget to change the one RG to like one RG medium and one RG hard. For the hard one, I will explain later. And then for the portal, this is the portal by the way. This is like when you flag play, it will hide. When RG go medium, it will show and then forever switch custom like custom one wait this is better for effect. If you guys want to put this, it's okay, and if you don't want, then it's okay too. Wait for 0.3 seconds and switch custom to custom 2. Yes, we have this customer here. So yeah, wait for 0 0.3 seconds, and if touching player, then it will broadcast medium and then high and stop the screen. You guys have to like duplicate this for 2 times and then just like go hard. And then maybe that's all for the portal. I will later explain more. And then this is the now we're going to explain about the enemy of medium. It's actually the same, but there's like a little difference between the enemy medium and enemy easy. You guys can see that the forever wait is like 4 seconds when the enemy easy is like 5 seconds. And then it will also change to like 5 steps and um, the point will change to 10 if the 10 is like already accomplished, like the point is already 10. You guys can put a new broadcast called go hard. So when I achieve go hard, it will stop other scripts in spread and then hide. Now, it's actually the same, but you guys can see the costume is same but different color. Yeah, this is by the way a duplicate of the enemy easy. And now, I'll explain the from the base. By the way, again, the base is actually the same from the previous code. Like when I check medium, it will look like that. And for the player is like this. When I check medium, will show broadcast move and broadcast view or shape. And when I achieve uh, go hard, I go medium. I will like do that, but go hard. It will show costume, blah blah blah. It's actually the same as this code, but the difference is that there is broadcast hard and then hide instead of script. Now, we're going to explain. I'm going to explain about the enemy hard, which is quite different. Not really much. So, when I achieve hard, it will show for the point and then hide forever. I will wait for 3 seconds and then control myself. And then it will move like 6 steps. And then do the same, and then but point equals 15. It will work as boss and then stop the script. When I click boss, stop other scripts and spread and hide. And for the enemy heart, I make it like this. So yeah, and maybe for when I achieve like another heart, yes, when I achieve heart, it's the same as the other spread, but you guys can see that if touching boss, you'll say game over. It's like the boss is the final one. So for the boss, wait, ah, for the boss, you guys can see that it's like very different. Hard, you guys have to make a new variable called boss and then set boss to hit variable boss to 10, and then when active boss will show boss, and then show variable boss, and then yeah, it's actually like a bit of the same as any hard, but the thing is, when when touching the shoot, it will because has shoot, but will also change boss by -1, and then change the pixel effect by 25, and then wait for 0.1 seconds, and then change pixel effect by -25. And then yeah, if but boss is like equals 0, then it will broadcast you win like that. Like congratulations, something like that. Oops. And then it will like switch costume to costume number 2, and wait for 0 we'll wait for 0.1 seconds and then hide and look at the screen. So like when I achieve win, stop the subscribe in stop script in spread and then hide. Now, I think there's like another. Ah, yes. So in Portal, you have to go like make another one. When I achieve win, it will show forever and it will switch something with that. And then the thing is, the difference is that the broadcast is win. It's like also win. Like another broadcast like win, yay. Like that. And yeah. Now so like when the player is like achieve win, we'll go to like over here or whatever you guys want to put, and then I will point in the direction of 90 and it like 3 seconds to like this the other side, and then hide and then stop off. Now for the text, you guys can make it on your own, like me, I make it on my own, and then when green flag click, it will hide, and when I retrieve over, it will show custom. It will show and then switch custom to custom number 2, and then stop off. And when I achieve win, it will show and switch custom to custom number 1, which is the easy one, like the UN text. Now for the backdrop, I already explained these two, like already give you some example of it too. Now I will explain the backdrop for the easy one. I make it like there's a text of easy and this little thing. And then for the medium one, it's like medium, and then I switch this like modification. And for the red one, like the heart, it's like this, and I modified it again. And then this is the ring, like just simple grass. Now I will try to play it. It's actually quite easy for me. So yeah, here you guys can see if I click left and right, it will just spin like that. And like that. This is actually quite challenging too. If you guys already you guys can easily already liking a little bit. Now, and then we just go to the product, and we are already at the medium part. So the medium part, you guys can see that the enemies are already moving more faster than the previous enemies. So yeah, that's how to do this and know how to um, kill them. And then this is the final level, which is the hard one, where there's a boss too. And you guys can see that it's way more faster now. So you guys have to like know where direction they're coming from. And if they touch the base, it would realize the base is under attack. And that's the boss. The boss, you just have to kill it, and then boom, you won. I'm a bit struggling with the keyboard for the and there you go. Okay, Okay, so maybe that's all for like. Wait, I forgot. When I achieve easy, will broadcast to switch one spectrum to easy, which is the one. When I achieve medium, it will switch back into medium. And when I achieve hard, it will switch back into hard. And then when I achieve win, it will switch back up to win. Okay, so like maybe that's like all from me. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and explanation and demo of the Defender. And like, thank you so much. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye everyone.